Woo, hey everyone, this is Daryl coming to you live from Bangkok, guys, and we're going to be talking about one of the biggest Dogecoin haters out there right now, George from Cryptos R Us, and we're going to be talking about what he said. I mean, 2 days ago, he said that Dogecoin is dead, but only 30 days prior to that, he said Dogecoin was a great project. So I don't know what's going on with that. We're going to call him out on this video. We're going to talk about that Doge is not dead. I'm going to show you the reasons why Doge is not dead, and also Bitcoin is looking much better in this cycle compared to other cycles, and that gives me more belief, more conviction that this cycle after the halving, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and all the other crypto is going to moon, and we're going to be reaching all-time highs soon for Dogecoin, reaching all-time highs for Bitcoin soon, guys. So get ready, buckle up, and don't forget, none of this is financial advice. Go back and watch all the other videos, and let's call out all the Dogecoin haters out there. Let's expose the haters, and I'm going to show you that Dogecoin is not freaking dead, guys. Yesterday, the U.S. markets were pretty much up, so that is pretty good. Looks like if you're working for Microsoft, looks like you're getting laid off. Almost 9% of the workforce. Bill Gates, the devil incarnate. It looks like the 9% of the gaming division after Activision bizarre acquisition. People are getting laid off, guys. So also, guys, we're also going to be talking about Dogecoin. Looks like Dogecoin developer has just launched a game on Dogecoin. So this is cool, guys. Cool freaking news. So this is also another indication that Dogecoin ain't dead, because now we've got Dogecoin and we've got a Dogecoin game running on Dogecoin, on the Doge blockchain, guys. So all I got to say to all the haters out there is you don't know what you're talking about. So if you take a look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is up slightly, Ethereum is up, BNB is up, but a lot of the cryptocurrency, a lot of the altcoins are down, down. Now let's take a look at deep dive into Doge, who's out there. So guys, take a look at Doge. Okay, is Dogecoin dead? Let's check the boxes right here, right now. Doge is number 10 by market cap. Oh, that sounds like a dead cryptocurrency to me. No. We're seeing that the volume into the last 24 hours is 167 million, or 4,000 Bitcoin, and the circulating supply is insane, right? So we're seeing that there's still a lot of activity. We've got Dogecoins, developers are still developing stuff, so that's pretty good. We're seeing the fear and greed for Bitcoin right now is at 49. It's pretty much neutral, so it's still a good time to buy, guys. Buy the dips. Remember, none of this is financial advice, and smash the freaking likes, guys. Smash the freaking likes. Show some love. It looks like this, guys. Looks like this. Looks like a heart mark, guys. I don't know why I can't get the AI to recognize my heart. There it is. Looks like a heart mark. And we're seeing that the total market cap is at 1.56 trillion. Remember, we were at nearly 1.8 trillion about 2 weeks ago. Have no fear. OG is here, and we're going to bring the good vibes and the good news too. So far, last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up. Looks like on the hourly it's pumping as well, so that is pretty good. We can have a nice turnaround. BNB is up. We're seeing Solana is down. Remember, Solana was over $100 about 2.5 weeks ago. So hold on. I think this is a good buying opportunity. Freaking good buying opportunity. We're seeing that also XRP is down as well, 0.5%. Cardano is down. Avalanche has flipped off the Doge just slightly. So guys, all we need is a community to wake up, and let's get Doge moving. And look, I guess if Dogecoin is dead because at 10 spot, I guess Tron is dead. I guess Polkadot is dead. I guess Chainlink is dead. All you Debbie Downer haters out there who keep saying that Dogecoin is dead, I got nothing to say. Dogecoin is trading at 0.7822 time recording. The market cap is down 0.13%, and we're seeing that the volumes are up down 19%, 288 million. Yeah, Dogecoin is dead. Nothing's happening. OMG. So here's a big breaking news, guys. Looks like Dogecoin developer deploys classic first-person shooter Doom on Doge network. Here's how, guys. So let's jump into it. So they deployed Doom. Dogecoin developer is powering an old-school first-person shooter on the Memecoin network using Dogecoins, like ordinals on Bitcoin, right? The Doge team asset version of Bitcoin, BTC ordinals. So ordinals have gone nuts, so we now have Dogecoins. In the new thread, developer Mini Doge says he's deployed Doom, a 90s game that pits players against demons on Mars using Dogecoins. Dogecoins is permanently inscribed information on small fragments of Doge, much like how non-fungible tokens NFTs are on Bitcoin networks, guys. So D is for Doge, D is for Dogenos, and D is for Doom. Dogecoin, let's go, guys. So this is pretty good news, guys. This is fantastic freaking news. So I'm loving it. You're loving it. Let's get it, guys. So let's take a look at the Dogecoin price right now. So Dogecoin is starting to power back. We're still above this downward trending line. So as long as we stay in this area here, Doge is looking good. We got some resistance at 0.08 cents. I'm not too worried right now. We're going to power up, guys. We're going to power up. And you can see that time and time again, Dogecoin will break down. Dogecoin will break down, then break up. Then we break down, and then we break up. So we're going to break down, and then we're going to break higher and higher. It's kind of like a seesaw, a zigzag pattern, right? And that's what we're seeing right now with Doge. So I'm not too worried about it. Now, here's the big Debbie Downer. Okay, I mean, this is George, right? He's saying that Dogecoin is dead. I love George. He's got a great channel, great insight. But I think this time he may have said, you know, look, if you want to say Dogecoin is not performing, Dogecoin is not doing well, Dogecoin is down, that's fine. That's fine. That's market, right? But when you say something is dead, I believe that's uncalled for. So let's listen to what Doge has to say about let's see what George has to say about Dogecoin. Listen up.
Said it's irresponsible not to hold some Doge. Do you still stand by that statement? No, I don't. Doge is pretty much dead in my eyes. There's much better. Doge once upon a time was
okay. So there it is. Doge is dead, according to George. I don't believe that. And if you don't believe me, you can go and watch the video. And at the 19-minute 05 mark, you will see that he says Dogecoin is dead. Now,
into the moon. Well, I mean,
now the interesting thing, a month earlier, he says that Dogecoin is great. Listen up.
Into the moon. Yeah, well, I mean, this is happening.
Yep.
Dogecoin is actually literally being put on a rocket. And
so 1 month earlier, he says Doge is great. It's going on the moon. He was all hyped about it. So guys, what do you got to think about that? Go down and comment. Maybe send a message to all the Dogecoin haters, and let George know that we the community, we're not going to stand for it, guys. We're absolutely not going to stand for it. And remember, Dogecoin, like I said, it has these seesaw patterns. It goes down, breaks up, goes down, breaks up, goes down, breaks up. So we're starting to see a bit of a breakout, guys. So from this perspective, we could see easy 15 to 20x for Doge coming in a couple years, guys. So buckle up. Doge ain't dead. Come on. And one day Doge will be worth this much, $50. Dogecoin to the freaking moon, guys. And guys, this is me ranting and raving. Listen to this. Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading. It's coming to you live from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. I'm right here, right now, and what's going on with Dogecoin? Dogecoin is down 2.4%. We're seeing that most of the cryptocurrencies are down right now. But I got a bone to pick with George from Cryptos R Us. And yesterday's video, he talked about, the title was Bitcoin bouncing, and guess what? He said that Dogecoin is dead. And I respect George. I like George. But I don't think he should have gone and said that to all of his million followers or whatever. He shouldn't say that Dogecoin is dead. I mean, he could say Dogecoin is down, Dogecoin is this, Dogecoin is that, but he shouldn't say his Dogecoin is dead, because only a month earlier he did say that Dogecoin is going up, and he talked about the mission to the moon thing. So I don't know what happened with George. George, if you're watching, I love you, brother. I love your channel. I subscribe. But don't be vitriolic. Don't say Dogecoin is dead. It's not dead. Okay, it's down, but it's not dead. Peace out. Yeah, so Dogecoin is down, but it's not dead. Okay, that's all I want to say about that. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is down 5.56%. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is just below my support here, and the support is around about $40,192. So we're gonna bounce back, guys. We're gonna bounce back. Absolutely gonna bounce back. Ethereum is also trending up right now. It's at $2,227. I think we're just gonna be range bound for quite some time. I'm not too worried about it. As you guys can see, U.S. Initial jobless claims, so it was 214K versus 200. Not so good. Looks like the U.S. GDP is 3.3 versus 4.9. It's okay. This is me in the shopping mall, looking at the mutant Dogecoin, OMG. These things are pretty scary. I mean, if your kids are watching, maybe you want to close their eyes. Pretty scary stuff. If you had that in your living room, I think I might want to puke. Pretty scary. Guys, Bitcoin's current trajectory is nearing a total perfection, the FUD fear level. Now, what I want you guys to say is that all the FUD and fear is unjustified. This is from Kevin, and I agree with Kevin. If we take a look at Bitcoin on previous cycles, we were 55% below all-time high for the first halving. Then we were 45% for the second halving. We're 55%. Right now, we're 42%. So if you think about it, the halving right now is only 84 days away. And actually, Bitcoin is performing much better. Guys, think about it. Comparing to previous cycles, from Kevin, comparing to previous cycles, Bitcoin is doing much, much better in this cycle. And we're so close right now. We're 84 days away from the halving. And that means that Dogecoin is going to do better, of course. But Bitcoin is going to do much better, guys. So don't fear, don't FUD. Things are looking okay, guys. So we got 84 days left to the next halving. Beautiful. And guys, take a look at this. Can you believe it? Look at this. Look at this. This is from Tony LeBeau. If you take the previous cycle and overlay, okay, the object chart, you can see here that we're exactly the same, guys, and it's looking good, except we're going to have higher highs, guys, and Bitcoin is going to blast off to the moon, guys. So like I said, we could easily expect Bitcoin to soon go up 6x, and if we go up 6x from here, that's only $240,000, guys. So, you know, like I said, we could easily expect Dogecoin to easily 15 to 20x in by the 2024, guys. So, like I said, to the moon, guys. We might have some chip, we might have some chop, but Bitcoin is going up, crypto is going up. So don't fear for the FUD, guys. Good time to buy the dips, guys. So don't forget to go follow me on Twitter. That's all I gotta say about that. And you know, Dogecoin community, go to my Twitter, retweet this whole thing. Retweet this whole thing here, you know, this whole George thing. Retweet it, guys. Get the message out there. Let people know that, you know, you can't be, Doge ain't dead. Okay, that's all I gotta say. I got a bone to pick. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.